Good morning, everybody. This is Roland, Bbq Smoker Pros, Braselton, Georgia. Wanted to give you a special treat today before the weekend. This is a street vendor Mega Godzilla. Just came out of paint. The plumber is starting to put the sinks in on this. This will have the NSF sinks with the hot water. Over here probably will be 2 deep fryers, maybe a freezer, double propane tank holders in the front, beautiful paint job. The welders did an excellent job welding, painting, grinding. I mean, look at this. You can't really even see the seams in here. Welded throughout. Paint job is beautiful. But this has a secret. Here is your triple rack barn door smoker, removable reverse plate, but here is the secret. This has enclosed steam trays. This is a triple removable rack steam trays. They can do 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch. Has an extra shelf on top so you can keep extra pans in there, trays in there to stay warm or as backup. It's enclosed, which will maintain your heat even better with thermostat, with temperature gauges. Keeps the bugs off your food. Board of Health is also concerned of bird droppings. I guess birds can actually, they can poo on your food flying around. And down here, we're just starting to install the double burners. This has a flip-up door. Lockable flip-up door, and then it drops open to hook up your gas burners. We got one burner here. We're waiting for UPS to bring us another. Up here again, we can do more deep fryers, propane burners, freezers. This gentleman here, I think, wants a triple grill, saute grill on the front. So the secret on this one really is this new model we're doing with steam trays. This really works nice for the triple steam tray on the bottom. And then you can have backups on top. So actually you can be holding 6 steam trays. Or steam pans, but I think they call them trays. So give us a call, holler, text 770-866-2561. Bbq on.